This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install Ngrok in your Android mobile with the help of Termux. The process is very easy, but before it, please subscribe my channel and please like the video. So, the first command you have to give is pkg update. You have to update all the packages. So just press enter. Now press Y. Press Y. The process depends upon your internet speed. So don't be panic. Type Y. Now again type Y. Now Y. Now the update is completed. So first clear the terminal. Now you have to install the package wget. So type pkg install wget, type Y. Now you have to install another package tar, so just type pkg install tar. Now it is already installed. So now open your browser. You can use any browser. So in the search bar type Ngrok. Now if you don't have an account on Ngrok, you can sign up, but please use temporary mail address for it. Now I have already an account on it, so I am just going to log in on it. The site is loading. Now you have to turn on the desktop mode. So here in the download section, choose accordingly your ARM. I am going to select ARM64. Just copy it and now open your Termux and clear the terminal and type wget and paste the link that you have copied earlier. Now press enter. Now the downloading is started. It depends upon your internet speed. So it is downloaded successfully. Now type ls. You can see it is downloaded. Now I am going to extract it. So just type tar -xvzf and Ngrok for the file name. Now it is extracted successfully, you can see. Now I am going to give the permission of storage to Termux. So just type termux -setup -storage. Now allow it. Now clear the terminal and type ls and now open your Chrome browser. And here is the autocon command. Just copy it and now open your Termux and type / and paste the command. Just press enter. Now it is successfully saved. Now in order to check is it working or not, you just have to type /ngrok http 8080 and just press enter. Now but here is the problem, the main error that we got many times. It is reconnecting error. So in order to solve this error, you have to do nothing, just on your hotspot. So I am gonna on my hotspot and now see the magic. The status is online and Ngrok is successfully installed on your Android mobile. So I hope you liked the video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, and thank you so much for watching.